If your Chevy C10 doesn't have trash guards for under the cowl section, then stick around for today's video. I'm going to show you how to install trash guards, and if you're not sure of what they are, I'm going to tell you about the benefits of them. This is the trash guard for the 67 to 72 C10. If you look over at the cowl on the truck, you'll notice some large holes there, and as it should, because that's a good way for airflow inside of the cab. But one problem with that is all of the debris and leaves and things like that get stuck inside the cowl. And when those things get stuck inside the cowl, they often end up holding a lot of moisture, which then will end up creating some rust in the cowl section of your truck. So by installing a trash guard, you'll still allow airflow into the cowl section, but you'll be able to keep debris out of there. Now these trash guards are made out of a durable steel. The one I have here today is painted black, but you can also purchase it in a stainless steel option as well. Now, the best part is this will come with hardware, so you don't have to worry about sourcing any before the install. So if you're interested in one of these trash guards, click the link down in the description to be able to pick up yours today. To start off this install, we have to remove the wiper blades. It's a pretty hard camera angle to get, so I removed one of the wiper blades so I can show you how to do it properly. When you're removing the wiper blade, you're going to grab a flathead and actually push this little metal tab up, and then that will release the wiper blade. Now, if you do have good paint on your truck, it's a good idea to maybe throw some blue painter's tape around the wiper blade area, so that way you don't end up scratching the paint on your cowl. Moving on to our next step here, we're going to remove the antenna because that is going to get in the way when we go to remove the cowl. So we'll start with the mast here. Something I do want to mention here real quick, if you do want to install an antenna on your C10, we do have a video on our channel, so don't be afraid to check it out. It's now time to remove the hardware for the cowl. At this point, you're going to want to have both doors open and the hood open to be able to access the bolts. Before I go ahead and remove this cowl, I thought it'd be worth mentioning that those 4 bolts are not the only hardware that you have to remove to be able to get the cowl out. So you have 4 screws in the top section of the cowl, and then on the lower section of the cowl, you'll actually have 6 screws here that you'll need to be able to remove before taking the cowl out. With all the hardware removed, you can go ahead and remove the cowl. It's now time to install the trash guard. You're simply just going to throw this on top of the cowl section here over the wiper assembly, and then grab some of the hardware that's in the kit and mount it up. With the trash guards installed onto our truck, we can now start putting everything back together. Well, the trash guards are all installed, and honestly, I actually love the way that they look in there. Not only do they look good, but they are going to prevent any future rust from happening to our truck. If you're looking to purchase one of these, don't forget the link is down in the description below, but it's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, if you need any classic truck parts, check the link in the description below.